Hello students, today we are going to start next topic, understanding elementary shapes. So for introduction, yes, all the shapes we see around us are formed using curves or lines. We can see corners, edges, planes, open curves and closed curves in our surroundings. We organize them into line segments, angles, triangles, polygons and circles. We find that they have different sizes and measures. Measuring line segments. Yes, a line segment is a fixed point, fixed portion of a line. This makes it possible to measure a line segment. This measure of each line segment is a unique number. Yes, called its length. We use this idea to compare line segments. To compare any two line segments, we find a relation between their lengths. Yes, comparison by observation. By just looking at them, can you tell which one is longer? Yes, here A and B. You can see that B is longer, but you cannot always be sure about your usual judgment. For example, look at the adjoining segments, yes, A and B. You can't tell which is longer. The difference in lengths between these two may not be obvious. This makes other ways of comparing necessary. In this adjacent figure, AB and PQ have the same lengths. This is not quite obvious. Yes, so we need better method of comparing line segments. Comparison by tracing. Yes, here A, B, C and D. Yes, to compare AB and CD, we use a tracing paper, trace CD and place the traced segment on AB. Can you decide now which one among AB and CD is longer? The method depends upon accuracy in tracing the line segment. Moreover, if you want to compare with another length, you have to trace another line segment. This is difficult and you can't trace the lengths every time you want to compare them. Since 1 centimeter means 10 millimeter, we will write, yes, 2 centimeter and 3 millimeter as 2.3. And second, 7.7 millimeter as 7 centimeter, 7 millimeter. Place the 0 mark of the ruler at A, read the mark against B. This gives the line length of AB. Suppose the length is 5.8 centimeter, we may write. When you are working with a ruler, some errors might creep into your observations without you noticing it. The positioning of your eye while reading the observation is very important, especially while using a thick ruler. See the figure given? Yes, when you are marking the length of the line segment, the eye every should directly above the mark on the ruler. In the above figure, the position of the eye in the middle shows the correct way of talking the reading. Yes, the positions the eye on the left and right lead to wrong observations. These errors are called, yes, positioning errors or parallax errors. Using divider for measurement, place the two end points of the arms of a divider at the two end points of the line segment to be measured. Then without disturbing the divider, place it on the ruler with one of its arms at the 0 mark of the ruler. Now measurement of the two arms of the divider is measurement of the length of the line segment. So next topic, angles in understanding elementary shapes. Yes, consider a notebook and look at the angle made by the adjacent sides. The adjacent sides OB and OA of the notebook form an angle AOB. This angle is a right angle. Yes. Next, types of angle. Yes. An angle smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle. That means acute angle less than 90°. Yes. Next angle. An angle larger than a right angle but smaller than a straight angle is called an obtuse angle. That means greater than 90° and less than 180°. Yes. Next, an angle larger than a straight angle but smaller than a complete angle is called a reflex angle. That means greater than 180° and less than 360°. Yes. Next angle, straight angle mean 180°, right angle mean 90° and complete angle mean 360°. Yes. The following figures are examples of the different types of angles. So first showing obtuse angle, second acute angle, third reflex angle, fourth straight angle, fifth yes right angles, and last complete angle. Yes. Next topic we have shapes. It is an enclosed space, the boundaries of which are defined by other elements, lines, colors, values, textures, etc. There are two types of shapes, two-dimensional shapes or three-dimensional shapes. Yes. Two-dimensional shapes. Yes. These shapes are flat and can only be drawn on paper. Yes. They have two-dimensional shapes, mean length and breadth. They are sometimes called plane shapes. Yes. Okay. Next, polygons, two-dimensional shapes that have sides made from straight lines. Quadrilateral, any polygon shapes with four straight sides, like this. Next, rectangle, a four-sided two-dimensional shapes with two pairs of parallel sides that meet at right angles. And next, rhombus, a four-sided flat shape with straight sides where all sides have equal length. Also, opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. Next, circle, a two-dimensional shape made by drawing a curve that is always the same, yes, distance from a fixed point. It is a circle. Yes. Next we have square, two-dimensional shape with four sides of the same length and four 90° angles. Next, triangle, two-dimensional shape with three straight sides and three angles. Next we have three-dimensional shapes. Yes, these shapes are solid or hollow. They have three-dimensional dimensions, mean yes, length, width and height. Yes, face, part of a shape that is flat or curved. That means a cube has six of these. It means it have six faces. Yes. Next, edges mean edge, the line where two faces meet. That means a cube has 12 of these. It means a cube have 12 edges. Yes. Vertex is the place where three or more edges meet. Yes. This pyramid has four of these. It means it have four vertices. Yes. Next we have cube, a three-dimensional shape which has six square faces all the same size. Cuboid, a three-dimensional shape which has six rectangular faces or two square faces and four rectangle faces. Next we have sphere, a perfectly round three-dimensional shape like a bowl. It has only one curved face.